My name is Joshua Chung. I'm a second-year student in the Bachelor of Computing, specifically Computer Science degree, and I'm originally from Waterloo. Guelph's co-op program was really a key appeal for me for the university because the 5 terms that they offer, both, obviously there's the monetary aspect, which is super helpful, but it also teaches you industry-level, contemporary skills that are immediately applicable to the workforce after you graduate. One of the great things about Guelph that I find is that the professors, they're industry leaders in their respective fields of research, but they're also incredible lecturers. So one of the memorable courses that I am taking right now is microcomputing. Essentially, what it does is it studies how the parallel development of hardware and software is able to occur. And that's a really key concept in computer science to create the computers that we see today.